So, what does financial freedom mean to you?
I think it means having freedom to do what you want to do with your money. No one tells you what to do with your money. You know.
What's the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to money?
I think spending too much, spending too freely, and forgetting how much you actually have. Like just going wild with spending. Yeah, not keeping track. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, do you think debt helps people, or it actually hinders them, or
Um, I'd say debt. It could be like a motivation. It's it give you something to like a goal to work off. You know?
so it's okay? So it's like a motivation.
Yeah, motivation. Yeah,
Okay, sure.
don't want to be homeless. Yeah.
Okay, short. Um, so, would you say you are controlling your money, or it's controlling you?
Um, I'd say I'm controlling my money. I manage my expenses. I don't let like if I don't have money, I don't let it control my actions and all. I do what I want. Yeah.
What's the one money lesson you wish other young people or you yourself could learn now?
Uh, I'd say like start saving money, or at least keep some money on the side if or in case of emergencies. Like if you run out of money, you have a stash somewhere. But just make sure you have money with you. Yeah.
And just so I think this is just going to be a bonus question, right? Because most people they talk about saving, but then they don't. Do you link saving and investing, or it's separate things?
Oh, I think it's separate things. Saving, you're just keeping it, waiting, keeping it aside for something you have your mind on, or just in the future. Investing is to actually try and make that money grow. You know.
Okay, so what I've been trying to teach people, it's almost like if you're talking about a lawyer and a judge, like say in the constitutional court, right? So you can't, after finishing your 4 years studying LLB, you're now a lawyer, and all of a sudden you're like, okay, I'm studying from university, I'm going straight to the constitutional court, and I'm going to be a judge. But it's actually the same journey.
Yeah.
So from savings, you literally from paying off your debt, then you're able to save. Then from saving is 3 months worth of living expenses. Then from there, whatever is above that, then you can start deploying it as investment. But that's how I'm viewing it. But anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thanks. Bro.